What's up, Karen Chronicle crew? How y'all doing today? And happy Mother's Day to everybody. Sending prayers up and comfort for those whose mother is going on to glory. But I hope y'all had a good day. I'm just breezing in. Listen, my mom and my sister had me in the kitchen today, y'all. Fried fish, fried potatoes, collard greens, fried shrimp, hush puppies. So I just came real quick so y'all can see a snippet, of me cooking. Because guess what? Them jokers swear I can't cook, but I told them, y'all don't know. Can't cook where? Stay tuned. Hey y'all. Happy Mother's Day to all. I'm just breezing through to show y'all what I'm cooking for my mother and my sister for Mother's Day. They want fried fish, so I'm gonna make some fried fish, potatoes, and onions, and some collard greens, and some hush puppies. I'm gonna try it out. Y'all see the mix over there. But I already rinsed my potatoes off, and now I'm cutting them. And then I'm gonna show y'all what's next. Alright, y'all, so the potatoes is all cut up, and I'm gonna show y'all a trick so they won't be hard. As my sister would say, when people cook them on the stove, fried potatoes and onions, put them in the microwave for about 5 minutes before you get to frying them. Make sure you cover it. So I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap. Alright, y'all, so they covered up. And then I'm about to put them in the microwave for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and we go press start. Then while we wait for those, I got my onions. I'm about to saute them while the potatoes is in the microwave, y'all. So I put the onions in there, a little bit of oil, and I put some garlic in there. Okay, y'all, so the potatoes is out the microwave. Yep. They right. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some butter, and I'm going to mix it in there before I put it in my pan. So I'm going to take that butter, I'm going to mix it around before I put the potatoes in the frying pan. Okay, y'all, see that they're covered good with butter. And this is so they will be seasoned, and they won't need to put no butter on them when they cooked. And then I'm about to put them in the pan. So y'all see my onions, they already browning, which is good. So now I'm going to put the potatoes in there. So I'll put the potatoes in there. I'm going to cut them down too, because I don't want them to cook fast. And I'm going to put some seasoning in there. I love garlic stuff. Little garlic powder. Cut it down. Okay, it's popping. Put the garlic powder in there. And then I'm going to put some onion powder. Because I don't want to cook with salt, and that's going to give it flavor. Just a little bit of garlic pepper. Just a tad. And some paprika. My sister loves these potatoes. I cooked them for the first time like 2 weeks ago, and she was like, they're good. I was just trying it out, and she liked it. And this is a tad bit of garlic salt. That's it, and then I'm going to cover them. As my favorite Tabitha say, like so, like that. And I'm going to let them cook. Alright, they're cooking good. I'm going to just stir them a little. Yeah, they're getting soft. Yep. Okay, y'all, potatoes is done. There they go, looking right. Now I got the greens in this pot. And then I'm going to batter up the fish and the shrimp. Oh, I got to do them hush puppies. Put that fish in the grease. And y'all see it's getting golden brown. Y'all see that fish? Golden brown. I'm finishing up. Frying the rest of it. I got grease everywhere. And then I'm gonna make the hush puppies. Alright, this is the last thing. These shrimp. I seasoned them. Now I'm gonna put some buttermilk in there. I'm gonna put it in a batter. Alright, there they go, in that buttermilk. Now they going in the batter. We gonna fry these bad boys. Alright, we got them shrimps frying. They about ready to come on in. And y'all notice I didn't even show y'all the hush puppies because I had an issue. But they tasted alright.